I'm Shikha.
Hey guys, I'm Mansi.
And today we're trying the very intimidating bright and colorful makeup since people like to be colorful during the summertime.
Right. And we're trying out lipsticks, mascaras and all of that. I'm going to be trying out the shades of purple and green.
And I'm going to be trying teal and blue. So let's get started. So first I'm going to try this glittery green eyeliner. Wow, I think it looks really pretty.
It looks lovely.
Guys, if you guys want to try something like this, it looks amazing. However, a tip would be that go nude and subtle with the lips. Do not wear green lips and green liner. I know matchy is a no-fail at all times, but I don't think it works for makeup.
Yeah, I think that might look a little crazy.
Mansi, it's time for your green lipstick.
Yes. I am really excited but a little nervous because it's such an offbeat color. So let's do this.
Wow, this looks really bold. It's a very hard color to pull off, but don't wear it in a bright sunny day. I think it's more of like a night time for parties and stuff. The color would go for that.
Absolutely. And I think one of the other things you can do is pair it with like gold jewelry, because that's something that might actually enhance this lip color. And something interesting that Shikha also told me is that you shouldn't really smile when you wear this lip color, because then the insides of your lips show. So I'm going to just be stone-faced.
So it has to be very gothic. You have to carry the color off with some attitude. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to pair my green eyeliner with blue mascara. I feel like if you're playing with colors, color blocking is something that you should go for. So taking inspiration from the colors of a peacock, I'm going to pair my green liner with this blue mascara.
And while she does that, I'm going to prep my lips for a blue lipstick. So I'm going to be taking this off. Oh my god. Stunning. Like, I want your eyes.
Guys, there you go. So if you guys want to experiment with colors when it comes to eyes, I think color blocking is an amazing tip, because it kind of differentiates your lashes from your liner. So you can go with green and blue, or vice versa. A blue liner with green lashes would look great as well. So have fun with colors this summer this way. Mansi, it's time for your blue lips now.
Yes, I'm really excited to try out this blue, dark blue lipstick. And this can go either way, so let's do this.
Wow, this looks great. It looks bomb.
Thank you so much. I really do like it. Of course, I'm not going to be smiling too much because of the previous tip. Also, I think you want to keep your eyes really subtle, maybe silvery or gold, champagne, in that category.
Yeah, you definitely don't want to do this and that. Don't put in too much color into your makeup. Keep it subtle. Also, I feel like when you're in a hurry, a statement lip like this is all you need to do if you don't have time to wear too much makeup, and boom, you're ready to go out of the house.
Just this lip. Also, one of the other things I want to mention is that you want to wear clothes that are kind of not doing the talking. Like you said, the eyes should do the talking. Here, the lips should be doing the talking. Don't wear like loud glittery stuff with that.
Yeah, exactly. Same goes for a statement eye where you're wearing two colors. Don't wear like a pink with this. Try to stick to neutral hues.
Yeah.
So pick your clothes accordingly and let your makeup really shine and stand out. So that's it, guys. Today we showed you how to have fun with colors in your makeup, and I hope it encourages you guys to try it.
And if you do try a bold lip or that fun eye look, then please let us know in the comments below. Stay tuned to Hauterfly for more. Bye.